Hi, welcome to Swasthya Oils. My name is Leela. I am here to help you in understanding the differences between the refined oils and unrefined oils. We tend to associate healthy diet going oil free. But in reality, oil is what adds health to our diet. For this, we need to choose the right kind of oil and use the right amount of oil for cooking. There are two main categories of oils: refined oils and unrefined or cold pressed oils. Let's explore refined and unrefined oils on the basis of different parameters. The refined oils are heavily heat treated, chemicalized, decolorized, and deodorized. During these processes, the oils lose the good fats and their health benefits. The unrefined or cold or wood pressed oils are minimally processed with minimum or no heat treatment involved during production. Because of this, the oils do not lose their good fats and most of the health benefits are retained. The refined oils does not contain nutrition and hence they do not add any nutrition to the food we eat. It is more stable and can be stored for a longer period of time. These oils also have a high smoke point which may cause damage to cells inside our body, and many believe this may increase the risk for cancer. On the other hand, the unrefined or cold or wood-pressed oils retains nutrition and adds it to the food. These oils can be stored for a maximum period of 6 to 8 months as they do not have a longer shelf life. Also, these oils have lesser smoke point. I would advise you against the use of refined oils for everyday cooking. The best cooking oils for everyday cooking is cold or wood-pressed oils. I hope you have learnt the differences between refined oils versus unrefined oils and would choose the quality unrefined cold or wood pressed oils over refined oils. Let me know in the comments section which oil would you be shopping from Swasthya Oils. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.